Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm a human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle Novel release, Everyday Excellence. And what is good, Phaedrus? And what is not good? Need we ask anyone to tell us these things? Robert Persig, then New York motorcycle maintenance, still one of my favorite books of all time. Running 5 miles is usually good for me, but with my ankle all messed up as it is now, definitely not. Is it good for you? Only you and your doctor know. I'm ADHD, so coding or calculating taxes or doing anything that's very detail-oriented for an extended period of time drives me nuts. Maybe it floats your boat though. Some people need restrictive diets. Others can eat anything they want. Who am I to tell them how to live their life? We are given free will and agency to make our own choices and to deal with the consequences, though. You need to determine what is your good. I'm Joe Templin, the excellent, and grow today.